I'm headed to a close to the loop riverfront location in the South Loop, a short walk from dining, nightlife, and college campuses, for a tour of one of the apartments at a new, pet-friendly, high-amenity tower, the Reed Southbank. I'm in apartment 915, a studio looking east toward Printers Row, a short walk away. Looking through floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades, turning into an open-plan living, dining, sleeping area. Blonde plank flooring extends throughout the apartment. Brushed concrete ceilings at about 9 feet. Love that exposed column. It's an efficient one-wall kitchen. Appliance package includes a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave, a Bosch dishwasher, French door refrigerator freezer with an ice maker. There's brushed concrete for the backsplash, under cabinet lighting, all soft close cabinets. Pantry cabinet, which is a nice touch. And you have an undermount stainless steel sink under the black quartz counter and a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Plenty of space here to lay out your furniture. You'll see Ecobee thermostats and designer black hardware. Custom organizers in the closet here. Turning toward the front entryway. You have your in-unit washer dryer. Front loading, full size. Coat closet that would have been off to your left as you walked in. Dual hanging. And you have a keyless entry system. Turning into the bath. The Toto soft close toilet. Wide vanity. Back of drawers for storage. Undermount sink or quartz counter. And you have a deep soaking tub. Tile up to the ceiling, and there's a body spray attachment. The Reed has an attractive location, extensive amenities, a variety of apartments with upscale finishes, and everything new. Put the Reed at the top of your must-see list. Head to the Reed's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.